Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore Cloud9 Boardwalk during the night. How it look like. This is the entrance. The entrance was very beautifully decorated. And here you have to pay 100 peso per day for the entrance fee. And you have a lot of souvenir shop in the beginning. Right now it's 8 p.m. Still they open. And you can see the comfort room, or you can say a rest room for male and female separate one. They are very clean. From here almost like a 50 meter the beach and the boardwalk. In between few houses are there. That's why we have some lights. Otherwise it's going to be like a pitch black. Lucky enough we have a few souvenir shop in between. This is the Cloud9 Boardwalk in the night. You need the flashlight to see the signboard. This is the entrance. This is how it look like in the night. Throughout the whole day was raining. You can see still the raining and the wet floor and the walkboard. In the beach you cannot see nothing, but if you have a flashlight you can see some. I was decided to walk along. Looks like nobody there except me. It's actually scary, but I'm still trying to walk until the light. Because this boardwalk is 400 meter, the light only up to 100 meter. You can see the clear water. And it's a high tide. I'm not joking, this is really terrifying. You're walking alone. So far, if you like this video, subscribe would be awesome. This is the end of the light. After this, you are literally walking in the dark. See, you can see all the way. There is the ends. From here, another 300 meters there. If you switch on and switch off, that is the difference. My camera is a little bit picking up too much light. You can see behind, it looks like this. Standing alone over here, it is really scary. Without the flashlight, I wouldn't made this far. I think they take out the pin for the rest of the way light. The pin is hanging around. If you connect it, you will get all the way the light. If you want me to go to the end, it is really tough time. Honestly, very scary to walk in the night. And the situation is too dark. At the same time, no stars because of the cloudy day. It is very tough time, so I stopped my journey over here. I want to walk back. I don't have a courage to go until there. Seriously, I don't have a courage to go there. It's really scary. I'm turning back, I'm going back to the hotel. This is how the boardwalk look in the night. I'm happy have some footage like this to show you all how the place look in the night. Right now I'm very hungry, so I'm going to find a place to eat. From here you have a 3 or 4 small restaurants are there. I went to Kian Burger restaurant. I ordered a chicken burger and spicy chicken wing. Both are very good. I enjoyed my meal. Look at this place. The place very quite nice, very good ambience. I really like the restaurant. If you go there, try some food over there. This is how it look like in the night time. Walking in the road. Let's put some light. See that? Now. So that's the beach over there. See the beach. That's the thing. So no street light. If there is no light, nothing. I switch off the light and you can see that. Nothing. Pitch black. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome.